For those who are brand new to HTML, I'm going to show you the basics of how it works. So I'm going to go into Canvas's HTML editor, and I'm going to just show you what it is. So first, HTML starts with something and ends with something. So in this case, the start is this, you've probably called it a greater than sign or a less than sign. It ends with this other one. Inside there it says what it is. So this P stands for paragraph. That's the beginning of my paragraph. This with a slash and then the P inside the same greater than and less than signs. That thing says that it's the end of the paragraph. So I'm just going to type paragraph here. Bring that back up, and when I see the way it looks, when I leave the HTML code, that's what it looks like. Now if I want a new paragraph, I click back in the HTML, I see that it's just another P. So if I want to make a new paragraph, and I'm going to end it the same way. So in HTML, it always starts with something that says what it is and ends with the end of that something. Now I'm going to put a different kind. This is heading 2. And I got to end it with a slash. And you see that that's a little different. This is a heading. Now, just a little bit of advice. When you start a piece of code, sometimes it's easiest if you just end it right then. Then you can do your typing in the middle. The biggest mistake people make is they forget this end part. Now, Canvas is kind of handy. Sometimes it will just deduce the end part for you and add it automatically. But it's much easier if you can just add it. Now I could put other things inside here if I want to. So here's my paragraph, but I also want it to be again I'm starting, so I'm going to do my end, in a different whatever, equals. I went and I found that this one. One thing you should know about HTML is even a professional will usually go and find it and copy it. You don't have to remember every little tiny thing. Typing the thing out, if it's short, that's one thing. If it's long, copy and paste it. Okay, so I can add an extra thing in the middle and have it be 2 things at the same time. As long as I start it and end it. So you see, that's how HTML works. We have the start and the end. The start and the end. And the stuff in the middle is what you see. At the start, we put whatever style it is. And that's all you need to know to be able to move on.